Hi, I'm Ben Rodriguez Jr. with SPC Building Services. We're here in our shop. It is the beginning of the year 2020, and so today we're here for a training where we're able to invite our friends from Westcoat who have come out, and they're going to share with us about some of their new materials and give some of our craftsmen and applicators kind of like a hands-on training. And in this case, Westcoat has been generous to provide one of their key material experts who's not only experienced in the actual material itself, but also the application and the proper way to apply it. And at the end of the day, we work as a team, trying to give our customers the best solution, the best warranties, and the best workmanship. And that way, when we come onto a job site near you, you'll be able to have that assurance that we know what we're doing, and we have over 45 years experience bringing this to you. Thank you.